Welcome to Divya Decor. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon for regular updates. Today we are going to do 5 types of Rakhi. This is the foam which I have already cut it in a circle. You can cut it to the wrist ring too with your hands. You are getting this foam alphabets on normal stationery shop. You can get from there. Now I am attaching the magnet behind, applying Fevicol, and now this is a simple paper which I am going to stick. So isn't it easy to make the Rakhi cum fridge magnet? This was the first pattern. To use this as a fridge magnet, cut the ribbons. Now our second quick and easy Rakhi. I again took the foam circle, applying Fevicol on the circle and sticking the half pearl white beads on the circle. You can stick any diamonds also if you are having it, but I am using the beads. Once the circle gets over, we will stick the alphabet and ribbon backside with magnet. Now our third and quick easy Rakhi. You can cut the corner with a designer scissor. Take 2 different sizes of square and stick on the ribbon. After that, you can stick the letters on the top of it, and it's ready. Once our quick and easy Rakhi is ready. In the fourth design, we are going to use a photo. I have cut the foam square in a designer border. You can cut in a simple square and then stick the photo on its back side. Once you are done with the sticking of the photo, stick that on the ribbon. So our fourth easy and quick Rakhi is ready. Now we are going to make our fifth quick and easy Rakhi. This time I took the foam circles of 2 different sizes. Of the smaller size I am going to cut the peak and then placing on the bigger size. After that, in the remaining space I am going to stick the half pearl white beads. After completing the circle, I am going to stick this on a ribbon. Of each and every design I have stick the magnet behind. Do share your Rakhi with us. Thanks for watching. Wasn't it easy, quick